Last year yagenda nakwata Abdulmulaz namuteka mu studio namukozesa akayimba shake body shake body shake body shake akayimba kagenda katya shake table shake table shake table shake table nempulira nga mpulira shake table sibitegeera paka nategeera nti kiri shake table kale nno atunyonyodde okusirika kyali deliberate yali awumuzaamu nali sikimanyi nti diri omuyimbi asobola okusalawo n'alitayaringa muko n'agamba akanewe mu break nga muyimbi nga style abakyala kitegeerekeka kubanga baba n'embuto asobola okuwumulamuko n'agamba kanfunemu olubu neera n'ab'embuto bazini n'abakalo ka sitaano yamala yakuba disco paka nga wasigaddeyo wiiki bbiri akuzaala nga ali ku stage. So but Munje had a break era kati agambye omwaka guno akomawo byabaddeko byonna ayagala kubeera legend era azimbirira kya legend break eno ekufuula legend. Uganda ye ndongo ya Uganda eri crazy kasita owo omuntu omukisa n'ayitamu bw'ati ba alien skin bo baba omukisa ne bayitawo webati obasigukulawo okweddamu okucementinga presence. Really you have to be so good, but I trust you Munji. You are a very different and special artist. I believe, yeah, you still have command a lot in the game. It ruins your back. Katsoka tuwulie conversation ye. Tukomeo.
Omwaka 2023 for me as an artist, honest answer as an artist is the year I chose to take a break from music. My goal from the get-go, abantu bamanyi natunuulira ba Chameleone ba Bebe Cool ba Bobby Wine nenegamba naye omuntu abeerawo atya ne bamuwa respect. Omuntu mu industry okumuwa respect alina okuba emyaka 10 kuba nali nkyali muto nga bagamba Chameleone amaze emyaka 10 nga wakabi gundi amaze emyaka 10 so nendaba the mark of 10 years nkulu. Chenegama as an artist I promise myself nja kubera myaka 10 nga ndi wakabi nakikola. Era bogenda notunulira discography yange okuva we natandika mu 2010 ina hit buli mwaka kibana aga ina hit buli mwaka paka 2020 tugenda mu covid 2020 nenkuba so nawuliranga ekyo nkikoze. So I needed a new path as an artist. Jabayitachi the legacy part of you as an artist. Mulimu abantu ng'abantu tebakyasaba kayimba ne bali ku artistic value bali ku legacy. Chameleone mwali Maurice Kiria mwali. There are people like Nava Gray, Rema. Bino mbagamba lwakuba right now I'm in that phase of what is Munji's legacy going to live. So I took a break because now the next phase of Jemugeno Klaba, you're going to be the Mumpana Munji Wakapi. Mugena take Mumpana new Mugena Kulaba, the legacy brand of me, of Munji Katia toward the Chikarina Bawanga, Chebaita bodies of work, in the Bawanga Bawe over album, over EP, over because they are hitting what this is also the other formula I want artists and other people to think about. Namwepa media. A special artist is an artist who can be missed. Do I make sense? If Gwengo Muyimbi obera one batakumisinga manya you don't have longevity in this industry. Boba kusigala mwino industry abantu bakogereko nga legend. Reason as to why radio is very respected. No better no gas in a radio wali badatukola because you miss him. Do I make sense? Nesi kogera obi. Radio yemimbi asoso kufa mu generation. Banji lumtafa ku. What does that mean? He left a gap. That gap is called a niche. A niche is music munji. That's a niche. That basically means buli muntu wampandika kwa I'm happy kiba kitegeza abayimbi bayimba ne waliwo ka munu jako ke bamisinga. That's called a niche. Ebyo binsindika busindisi. basically tells me I'm still loved.
Yeah, man, you're still loved, Munji. Come back and sing for the people. Tugenda kwetololamu just small time. Then nkomawo nina karukasita, nina bigayi, nina bingi. Let's have a break. We return.